The complete system includes Z-shaped bucket elevator, link-lined conveyor, multi-head combination weigher, supporting platform, with Series VFFS machine and output conveyor. Suitable for packing many kinds of granular and fragile products with accuracy in weight such as puffed food, snacks food, quick frozen food, nuts, dried fruits, seeds, fried goods, pet food, fruits and vegetables, etc. The PLC and HMI controller make it easy to operate and maintain the machine. The servo film pulling system with Photocell accuracy cutting position ensures precise bed making. The separate circuit boxes for power control and pneumatic control provide low noise, good tightness, and more stable operation. The machine automatically completes products feeding, forming, filling, gas flushing, exhausting, sealing, cutting, date printing, and counting. Additionally, there are optional devices for gusseted bags, linked bags, and punching devices.